Hello all, welcome to another session of JavaScript Made Easy course. As part of this session, I am going to start JavaScript basics. So let's get started. So under JavaScript basics, I am going to cover printing, variables, literals, operators, flow control statements, and comments. These are the several topics I am going to cover under the JavaScript basics. But in this session, I am going to cover printing using JavaScript. Okay. So how to write the printing statements in JavaScript language to print different things. So let's get started here with the printing. Let me expand this. In order to print the output of the JavaScript programs, we have to use a statement known as console.log. In JavaScript, if you want to print something, we have to use console.log. Okay. Whatever you want to print, you have to provide inside this circular brackets of this log. Okay. You have to write console.log and in between the circular brackets, whatever you want to print, you have to provide. So here we have some nodes, guys. Okay. We are going to use these nodes for learning how to print in JavaScript, okay, using console.log statement, okay, using console.log statement, how to print, I'm going to cover, okay. So these are the nodes we have. This is just for reference case, okay, there's nothing big here, but let's use that as a reference. So if I switch to this Visual Studio Code editor, so as part of the previous session, I copied this statement from, Google or ChatGPT and pasted it here and have run this in the terminal. And when I have run this, I got this output, right? Okay. So I'll just say clear, press enter. The previous output will be cleared and all. Now it's kind of clear. Okay. So here, so in JavaScript, okay, if you want to print anything, you have to write console.log and give this circular brackets. Okay, remember this console. Okay, we have to write console.log and in the circular brackets, if you want to print some text, you have to surround the text with double quotes, guys. Whenever you want to print some text, right? Text in JavaScript need to be how the text in JavaScript will be represented with double quotes. In between the double quotes, we have to write the text. For example, my name is Harun Motori. Okay, like this I want to write console.log and in between the double quotes you have to write this particular text case. Okay. Now I want to run this. Okay. I want to run this JavaScript code to see whether this console.log will print this particular text in the output or not. Okay. In the terminal output or not. Let's see that. Okay. For that, I have to use the node command node space. I need to give the name and extension of the file demo.js and press enter. If you get this output, my name is, okay, you see whatever the text that I have provided inside this log circular brackets, the text is surrounded by double quotes. Okay, whenever you want to represent text in JavaScript, you have to surround the text with double quotes only. That's the only way. Okay, and if you provide that text surrounded by double quotes to this console.log code, then you can see that it is getting printed here. So this is how we can use a console.log for printing the text. Now, the next thing here is you can also write like this, okay? CLG and press the tab key. You will get the console.log. You see, if you don't remember the syntax, you can write, since you already have installed an extension, right? You can do that, okay? Just double quotes, okay? Just give double quotes and write whatever you want to print, okay? I love JavaScript, okay? I love JavaScript and run it the same way. You can press the up and down arrow keys or up arrow key to go to the previous commands. For example, if you want to clear, you can go that. And if you want to run like this, okay, just press up arrow key, your previous commands will come, okay. You see the I love JavaScript got printed. Now, what if I want to clear this? I want to clear this. What if I want to print a number? What if I want to print a number? CLG, tab, and here, if you want to print a number like 9 or something, do you have to surround this number in JavaScript with double quotes? No, guys, it's not required. Numbers can be directly printed. Unlike text, okay? The text, the whatever the text that you want to print, right? You are surrounding the text with double quotes. But the numbers you don't have to surround with double quotes, guys. You can directly print like this, okay? Console.log 9, okay? Now run this. You see, the text got printed. The text need to be surrounded with double quotes in JavaScript language, and the numbers no need to be surrounded with double quotes, okay? You see, without double quotes also number got printed. That's what I wanted to prove. Okay. There's one more thing that you can print multiple things, okay? I'll let you know what exactly I mean, okay? Here, printing the text, printing a number, printing multiple values, okay? You can also print multiple values. Okay, so here I'm going to write CLG tab console.log, and here I want to print multiple things. I want to print multiple things. Let's say, okay, location, not location, maybe something in number format, okay? Experience, okay? Experience, okay? I would like to print this experience. If I print only experience, what will happen? If I give only experience, what will happen here? Only the experience will be, only experience part will be printed. Okay. Only experience text will be printed. What if I give a comma here? Okay. And I'll give 18. Okay. 18 years of experience. Okay. If I give comma 18, what will happen? Now run this. You see, experience 18. Okay. And if I want to put a colon or something, I can put here. That's okay. Okay. Experience colon like that. If I want to put, okay, I can do this. Okay, you see experience 18. So I can print multiple items, guys. Okay, using console.log, I can print multiple items, not only this single item, but multiple items. Okay, put a comma here and give one more item. Let's say I would like to give location. Okay, location colon comma. Here I'll give Hyderabad. Okay, like this, I'll give some different values. You see? No matter how many elements, how many things I want to print using a single console.log, I can print, but I need to separate them with comma. Okay. Here one item, this string text, okay, number, again string text, and again text, which is in the form of string. Okay. Like this, multiple items I can print using console.log. Okay. Console.log not only will print one string or one number, but you can print multiple strings and numbers using console.log. Okay. That's what you need to understand. So you can do a lot apart from whatever I have covered in this session, printing a string, printing a number. Printing a string means printing some text here. Okay. This is nothing but string. Text surrounded by double quotes is called as string. Printing that text we can do with console.log. Printing a number like this console.log we can use this. We don't have to surround the number with double quotes. Okay. Printing multiple values, just separate this multiple values like a string text, number, or anything combination using comma here. Okay. So it will be printed like this. Okay. But I can, you see console.log is a very big subject, guys. But here at this point of time where exactly we are in, okay, wherever we are in this particular session, this much amount of knowledge on console.log is enough, guys. Okay. And you see any programming language you take, printing statements are very common. Okay. Developers use printing statements like anything, whether you go with Java or JavaScript or Python, whatever it may be, we need to know. Okay, it's a very fundamental thing for anyone who is learning any programming language to know how to print things in a particular programming language. Okay, so in JavaScript, if you want to print something, whether it may be some string text or whether it may be a number or combination of string text and number or whatever it may be, we have to use a statement. Okay, console.log. Most used statements in any programming language is printing statements, guys. In JavaScript, the printing statement is console.log. Remember that. Okay, at this point of time, whatever the knowledge I have shared as part of the console.log for printing text number and combination of text number or multiple elements is enough at this point of time. Okay, we may learn more about console.log later if required. Okay, depending on the situations. But for now, this much amount of knowledge on printing in JavaScript using console.log is more than enough. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to cover the next topic, that is variable. Till then, variables, that is variables. Till then, see you. Bye bye.